Hello, everyone. You weren't able to be in school today, but we're going to do what we were going to do if you were, is the letter F. And F starts here, goes up and around and down and crosses over. And the sound that F makes is this. Oh, you put your lips, your teeth on your bottom lip like this. And you make an air. Ooh, it feels like cool air. Actually, the F sound makes the lip cooler. It's a lip cooler because you put your teeth on your bottom lip and go like that. Oh my. It makes that sound and it cools off your lips. All right. So is for flower. Oh, I have two F's here. For and flower. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this letter F into a flower. And here we go. First, I will do this. I will make the letter F. Start here, go up, curve down, straight down, 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 and then make a cross. Wow, that F starts almost like a candy cane. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this letter F into a flower. Okay, and this is the stem. I'm going to color that green. And here's the leaves. There! Look how I changed the letter F into a flower. Now, why did I change the letter F into a flower? Because the word flower starts with that sound, just like that. Now, if you could do that at home, and then when you come back to school, show it to me, or else you can have your mom or your dad take a picture of it and put it on Seesaw. But anyway, I would like you to practice this letter F. All right? Have fun. Bye-bye.